Today, we're uncovering 5 true hidden gems. Cars with craftsmanship, engineering, and refinement that still hold up today, but at prices most people would never believe. So buckle up, because these aren't just cheap luxury cars. They are underrated masterpieces. Lexus LS 460, the silent throne. When you sit inside a Lexus LS 460, the first thing you notice is the silence. Not the absence of noise, the presence of peace. Everything about this car feels deliberate. The stitching, the buttons, the way the doors close with a soft, confident thump. It's all engineered to make you feel calm, important, and in control. And unlike most luxury cars, the LS doesn't age, it matures. The naturally aspirated V8 delivers power with buttery smoothness. The suspension floats over bad roads like they're not even there. And the cabin? Well, it's less a car interior and more a personal lounge. Here's the real magic. The LS was designed with insane levels of over-engineering. Everything from the seat motors to the climate control system was built to last decades. Not years. Decades. And because the LS never tried to be flashy, it never gained the same hype as its German rivals. Which is exactly why you can now pick up an LS 460, a car that once cost $80,000, for around $15,000 to $20,000. A luxury flagship, built like a Volt, priced like a used Honda. This car isn't just a hidden gem. It's one of the best luxury values ever put on the road. 2. Volvo S90, modern minimalist royalty. The Volvo S90 is what happens when car designers stop trying to impress people and start trying to soothe them. Everything inside the S90 feels handcrafted. Soft leather seats, real wood trim, clean Scandinavian lines that look expensive without trying too hard. Volvo doesn't do loud luxury. They do whispered luxury. Elegance in silence. And here's what makes the S90 a true hidden gem. It was overlooked. In a world obsessed with BMWs and Mercedes, the S90 slipped quietly under the radar. No drama, no hype cycles, no viral videos. Just a beautiful, exceptionally comfortable luxury sedan that offered incredible refinement and safety. And because of that lack of attention, prices dropped fast. Cars that cost $60,000 brand new are now quietly selling for $22,000 to $28,000. That's an absolutely insane leap in value. Plus, the S90 drives like it was built for long roads, quiet nights, and peaceful commutes. It's the type of luxury that doesn't need to be seen, only felt. And if you're someone who likes unique cars, something different from the same old German choices, the S90 is a luxury masterpiece hiding in plain sight. 3. Jaguar XF, the British underdog masterpiece. There's something magical about a Jaguar. Something you can't quite explain on a spec sheet. Its character, charm, a sense of personality that most cars don't have anymore. The Jaguar XF captures that perfectly. Long hood, sharp lines, a cabin filled with British design flair, and a driving feel that sits somewhere between sporty and elegant, like a tailored suit with racing shoes. When it debuted, the XF stunned reviewers. It drove beautifully. It looked gorgeous. It felt different. But Jaguar had one problem. The market forgot about them. While BMW and Audi dominated the spotlight, Jaguar quietly built cars that were every bit as luxurious, but far more stylish. And because the brand lost popularity, prices dropped far lower than they should have. Today, you can find a clean Jaguar XF for $12,000 to $18,000. That's absurd for a luxury sedan with this level of design and performance. And here's the thing. The later models improved reliability dramatically. Most of the old Jaguar horror stories no longer apply. So what you're getting is a gorgeous, distinctive luxury sedan. One that feels rare and special, because it is. This is a true hidden gem. A luxury car with soul. 4. Acura RLX, the most underestimated luxury sedan in America. If you want luxury without stress, the Acura RLX might be the smartest buy on this entire list. It never got the recognition it deserved. Mainly because Acura doesn't chase hype. They chase quality. The RLX is the kind of car that feels quiet, smooth, and confident. It has one of the nicest V6 engines ever made, a hybrid system that works seamlessly, and a cabin designed for comfort, not flashy Instagram photos. But the real hidden gem factor? Reliability. The RLX is one of the few luxury sedans that you can buy used and not worry about. No random electrical issues. No complicated turbo failures. No $3,000 repair surprises. It's a luxury car you can trust. And because almost nobody talks about it, dealerships practically give them away. Many fall in the $17,000 to $23,000 range. For a smooth, tech-filled luxury sedan with Honda DNA, that's a ridiculously good deal. This is luxury for people who love comfort, but hate headaches. 5. Audi A7, the showstopper that everyone underestimated. Some cars look good. Some cars look expensive. But the Audi A7 looks iconic. Long, sweeping fastback roofline. Sharp LED headlights. A presence that instantly says premium without shouting. When it launched, the A7 turned heads everywhere. It was one of the most beautiful luxury sedans ever made. And it still looks modern today. But the beauty is only half the story. Inside, you get a whisper-quiet cabin, real metal and leather, Audi's refined driving feel, a powerful V6, and Quattro all-wheel drive grip. It's a luxury car you enjoy every second you're inside it. And because it sits in that weird not quite sedan, not quite coupe category, prices dropped more than they should have. A car that once cost $80,000 is now sitting on the used market for $25,000 to $30,000. The A7 is one of those rare cars that makes you feel rich the moment you sit inside, but doesn't cost rich person money anymore. That's what makes it a hidden gem. Extended ending: why these cars are truly special. Here's the truth that most people never hear. Luxury cars don't lose their luxury. They lose their price. The craftsmanship stays. The engineering stays. The comfort, the smoothness, the presence. They all stay. What changes is perception. People chase the new model, the new screen, the new headlights. And they forget that some of the best cars ever made are sitting quietly in the used market. And that's where the opportunity is. Every car on this list was built during a time when brands were focused on quality, on long-term refinement instead of short-term flash. And that's why they aged so well. They were engineered to be good, not just new. Cars like the LS460, S90, XF, RLX, and A7 give you something rare today. True luxury. Not fake luxury. Not badge luxury. Not look at me luxury. But the kind of luxury you feel when you open the door, when you sit down, when the engine hums to life, when the road disappears beneath you. Luxury is peace. Luxury is comfort. Luxury is confidence.